Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to convert image to PDF file in Python language. In order to do that, we're going to use Pillow library in Python. Let's install this library on our machine. I'm gonna type in terminal or command prompt pip install Pillow and press enter. Now Pillow library is successfully installed. Then if I want to work with images, I'm gonna import from this Pillow library image. Then I'm gonna open an image with function open, and inside this parenthesis as a parameter I'm gonna type the path to my image. My image is gonna be in this folder on drive D, and it's gonna have name example image.png. I'm gonna paste that, and I'm gonna save this information to a variable. I'm gonna call it, for example, image1. Now I want to convert this image, and I'm gonna save it to image1 variable, and finally I'm gonna save that converted image to a PDF file. I'm gonna use the same path, just I'm gonna type to this file PDF instead of PNG. I have a little typo here. Okay, now I'm gonna run this file and let's check our folder. As you can see, here we have newly created PDF file. I'm gonna open it, and there is our image converted to PDF. That's all in this tutorial. See you in the next tutorial. Happy coding!